Do you still have this flip down monitor from your old Ford passenger van? Don't throw it, because we're gonna make this a backup camera for under $15 for your van conversion. First of all, my name is Mary and I'm a wedding videographer, and me and my wife decided to make a camper van for our trouble. And if you're new here, please subscribe this channel to follow us in our journey in converting our van into a camper van. And today, I'll show you how to make a backup camera for under $15 using this camera. I bought this camera in Amazon. It says Sky Car Camera. Sky? I don't know. It's only $13.99. And then we'll wire this one to this old flip down monitor from your Ford Econoline passenger van. Come on, let's go. If you have the same specific monitor with this one, you don't need to open this up. But if you have a different one, different model, you need to open up and then check which is the ground, which is the NTC wire, with this power supply. We need to check. Okay, now there we go. So what I did was search this one, is SKU number or code number, whatever is that. I just searched this and then I found this one in the website, which shows which are the specific wires to wired. So these two are the controls for your brightness of your monitor. The third pin is the HRVR. Number 4 pin is the power supply voltage. We will put the 12 volts power supply here on the 4th pin. And number 5 is the ground. So that's what we need, the 12 volts and the ground. Number 4 and number 5. And number 6 is the video signal, is the NTC. This is what we will use to put the wire from your camera to this section. Pin number 7 is the ground for your camera wire. So we just need 4 wires: the positive 12 volts wire, the ground for your power supply, the NTC wire from your camera, and the ground from your camera. Your camera, it's a 170 degrees angle, and this is your NTC video, and this is your power supply. This is the power wire or the DC wire. Putting this male plug to this one to extend your wire. But I am gonna use this 19 feet RCA wire with voltage, with red wire, with positive wire. So this one serves as your power supply also, and this one is for your video signal. So what I'm gonna do is, so that you're not gonna be wiring two wires too long. Are you sure? Yeah, cut this one. And then connect this RCA male to female. Simple. Red wire from the extension wire for your video, and red wire to your camera. Okay, on the other side of the wire, you will put this red wire to your 12 volts, any 12 volts. For me, I will be using the cigarette lighter wire. Tap this red wire to the positive side of the cigarette lighter. I don't have a female plug for this one, so I'm just gonna wire it directly to the monitor. I will cut it here. So this this one is your video signal, this one is your ground signal for your video, and this one is the 12 volts wire to power your camera. It's the positive side of your monitor, 12 volts, and this one is the red wire, 12 volts also from your camera to power. You tap them together. This one is going, this red wire is, and the pink wire is going to your car 12 volts power supply. Any 12 volts will do. For me, I will be using my cigarette lighter from my car. I will be tapping this one to my cigarette car lighter. The ground wire from your video wire is wired to the blue wire from your monitor. Okay, last is the yellow wire from the camera will connect to the green wire to your monitor. That's it. I have here a 12 volts power supply. We're just gonna use this for now, just to show you how will it work. This black wire to your ground. That's it. This black wire to your ground, or to your any ground to your car. And this one is to your 12 volts power supply. There. Now you just need to put now it works. So it's awesome. Okay, turning on. Whee! I hope you learned something for today. But if you learned something, please subscribe. It won't hurt you. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. And yes, see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.